over. You stole yourself for that job.
Hi, my name is Michelle. I've been seeing Madeline now since October 2018. She has changed my life. I love my extensions. I have natural beaded rows and single beads, and it's really made me feel incredible. This is the after effect. I just came from my 7-week touch-up. Every time it's flawless, every time it's excellent service. And again, it makes me feel super, super special. When I first came, my hair was in a terrible state. I had tape-in extensions, and being able to talk to someone that could help me take better care of my hair from shampoo to post, dry, and treatment, how to keep it conditioned has been phenomenal. So I highly recommend her. Couldn't be happier, and it's made me feel so happy throughout my pregnancy to still be able to have great hair, and I can't wait until my baby's born and then still come here and like feel fabulous and hug this little one.
Hey, this is Madeline from Madeline Hair Design, and this is Foxy. If you guys want to buy hair, I suggest you go to MadelineHairDesign.com or a new website that's right off of it, Mina Goddess, LuxuryHair.com, and you can actually text me 720-987-5607, and if you send me a picture in natural light, I can actually do a color match myself and see how much hair you might need in the picture. You just have to make sure you have all your hair in front when you take a selfie. If you can get a picture in back with a timer or taken by a friend, you can totally do that as well. So we actually can even help people that are completely bald, are going through chemotherapy, or might just have like a little bit of fuzz for hair. We just need you to measure your head and get the exact size of each part of your head, or you can come here and get a free consultation, obviously. So it is luxury Russian hair. If you're on a budget, you can get Indian hair. Text me a picture in natural light, not in the bathroom, like by a window, so I can get the exact color match. And if you want to buy online on MaidenofGoddessLuxuryHair.com, you can, or you can just text me directly and I can overnight the hair via FedEx. We have between 14 and 26 inches. We have wefts, eye-tips, some fusions, but we really like to use no glue, no tape, no damage, as well as full wigs as well. And we can measure your head to get the perfect fit so that you feel comfortable and feel like yourself, even if you have like a mohawk or you're growing an awkward haircut. Thanks so much. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.